Did you know the IRS just dropped huge updates that could change your retirement game? If you're over 50 or planning for your golden years, you cannot afford to miss this. By 2025, Secure 2.0 is rolling out some major changes that could save you thousands or cost you big if you're not prepared. So, let's break it down. I'm going to walk you through the 5 big updates you need to know right now. Let's go. First up, let's talk about expanded catch-up contributions. If you're 50 or older, you already know catch-up contributions are a lifesaver for boosting your retirement savings. But starting in 2025, there's a huge twist. If you earn over $145,000 a year, your catch-up contributions must go into a Roth account, meaning you'll pay taxes on that money now, not later. Why? The IRS wants their cut up front. But don't worry, if you earn less than that, you can still choose between traditional or Roth. Either way, this is a game changer for high earners. Next up, emergency savings programs. Let's be real, life happens. And Secure 2.0 gets it. Starting in 2025, employers can now offer emergency savings accounts linked to your retirement plan. You can contribute up to $2,500 annually, and guess what? It's Roth style, so your withdrawals are tax-free if it's a real emergency. This is perfect for those unexpected car repairs or medical bills without dipping into your 401k. Now, here's one that's going to make a lot of retirees happy: higher RMD age. RMDs, or required minimum distributions, are the amounts you have to withdraw from your retirement accounts once you hit a certain age. Right now, it's 73, but in 2025, it's going up to 75. That's 2 extra years to let your money grow tax-deferred. If you don't need the cash right away, this is a win-win. All right, this one's for all my younger viewers or anyone helping their kids with student loans. Starting in 2025, employers can match your student loan payments with retirement contributions. Yep, you heard that right. If you're paying off student loans, your employer can now contribute to your 401k as if you were making retirement contributions yourself. This is a huge deal for anyone struggling to balance debt and saving for the future. Last but definitely not least, part-time worker retirement plans. If you've been working part-time for a few years, you'll be happy to know that Secure 2.0 is making it easier for you to save for retirement. Starting in 2025, if you've worked at least 500 hours for 2 consecutive years, your employer has to let you join their retirement plan. This is a big win for part-timers who've been left out of the retirement savings game for too long. So, there you have it. 5 big changes coming in 2025 thanks to Secure 2.0, whether it's catch-up contributions, emergency savings, or student loan help. These updates are designed to make retirement planning easier and more flexible. But here's the thing, you've got to act now to take full advantage. So, what's your next move? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to know about these updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.